Is he chewing your hands?
Yeah. I think they just like licking me or biting me. Either one. Ow.
Let him buy that toy.
Shadow.
Here's a toy with the fuzzy on it. He likes you better.
Ow. Don't put you on my nose. What are you guys doing? They licked me almost everywhere now. Ow.
Show him the toy instead of your hand.
No, it likes my hand. Ouch. Ow. Okay, it's getting too aggressive. Yeah, I wonder what would happen if... All my hands were gone. Where are you planning to take my hand? Yeah, I don't really... Yeah, how about my toe?
Oh, she
I'm gonna grab Shadow. No, this blue one is following me. Wow, happy New Year's.
Oh no! Get your toes. Can you show him the teddy bear?
Wild, 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 I see wild.
He's trying to eat my finger.
Oh no!
Shadow, no.
Oh, he really likes that one.
I think it scares him. It's too loud.
I really want to take a picture of this. How do I look?
You don't want to scare them too much.
Aw.
How I look with this one?
Yeah.